Creating a household using the Census Wizard. In this video, we will demonstrate the process for building a household using the Census Wizard tool. In order to build a household, you will first need to create all members of the household in the system. To create a new person in the system, navigate to Census, Add Person. Conduct a person search by entering the last name, first name, and gender. Click Search. If multiple search results appear, click on the Details button to determine which individual is the person that you are looking for. If no person matches are found, or if the results found are not the correct person, click Create New Person. The New Person Creator window will appear. For students, last name, first name, gender, and birth date are required. Additionally, the race ethnicity information is required. This information can be found on the student's EH40. For the Home Primary Language drop-down menu, take no action if the student's home primary language is English. Only select an option from the drop-down menu if their home primary language, as indicated on their EH40, is a language other than English. When all of the necessary fields have been completed, click Save. This person has now been created. For adults in the system, only the last name, first name, and gender fields are required. Conduct a person search again by returning to Census, Add Person, entering only the last name, first name, and gender for a parent or guardian identified on the EH40. Click Search, create a new person, then click Save. Repeat this process for all household members. Once the student and guardian or guardians are entered, it is time to bring them together in the system as a household. Navigate to the index and select Census, Census Wizard. A person search will appear in the workspace. First, search for each member of the household using the search fields provided within the Census Wizard. The search results will appear on the left-hand side of the screen and will include both households and people not in households. Clicking on the name of a person who populates within the search result will add them to the new household you are assembling. After adding the necessary people, clear the search fields. Then search for the address associated with the household. Again, search results will populate on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the desired address. Ensure that the student, guardian or guardians, and address appear in the Assembling a New Household box in the center of the workspace. When all of these elements are present, click Continue, Step 2. On Step 2 of the Census Wizard, you can enter household name and the household phone number. Here, you can name your household the last name or last names of all guardians in the household. Use hyphens to separate last names. Next, enter the household phone number. This is the primary phone number for the household. Add a start date for the household. Start date each member of the household as well. When finished, click Save and continue Step 3. Step 3 of the Census Wizard is where household relationships are entered. First, find where it says Relationship to your student. In this example, the student is Kylie, so we will be working within this section titled Relationships to Williams, Kylie. On this section of the screen, enter in the appropriate relationships by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting the appropriate relationship. You will notice that the relationships in the other sections of the screen will automatically populate once you start selecting from the drop-down. Do not alter relationship information from other drop-downs. Only select the relationships from the drop-downs associated with the student identified in the household. Next, enter the start date as the date you are enrolling the student. For the guardian, add a sequence for emergency priority number. Also check off the following boxes: guardian, mailing, portal, and messenger. When finished, click Save and Done. To verify your work, conduct a household search. Navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and adjust the drop-down menu to reflect a household search. Type in the student's name and select Go. Any household that the student is associated with will display in the search results.